Let's talk a little bit about the hierarchy of needs. I talk about this a lot. You go back to Maslow's research on the hierarchy of needs, going from basic needs to safety to belonging and love. And then we get to the top. I want to talk about the top today, which is self-actualization, meaning that you're doing what you were born to do. All right. So you're self actualized. And that means that all the other things underneath are pretty solid so that you can reach the top of what your goals might be. I want to bring another word into that, and that's called having a purpose. What we know is that every human being needs a purpose. And I've seen too many kids who are walking around school wondering, what's my purpose here? I might have that sense of belonging and community. I'm loved and cared for, but do I matter? Do I have a purpose? And this is where we've got to be super creative if we want kids to have that internal motivation. Give them a purpose. That's where classroom jobs come in. And, years ago, I don't think we appreciated those when we were little, when we had the person who, was collected the pencils and the person who pushed the chairs in and the person who maybe got the broom out at the end of the day. And there were certain things I know that kids can't do that are reserved for only professional staff. But it's really, really important that we start looking around our buildings and our classrooms and what we do every day and decide, do our kids have a purpose right now in the moment, so that when they grow up, they will know that I've got to find a purpose. Why do I get up every morning? And it just creates this incredible internal motivation to know that I matter. And if I don't show up today, things aren't going to be okay. So you need me here.